Not wasting time at all, we're going to go in so that we look at some euro pairs and see what positions we can take in the market. Okay. I don't really know, for people who will not be here early, don't really know how we will help them, because everybody knows the time for this. That's 1 o'clock, right? So let's start with Euro JPY. Euro JPY, let's look at what it looks like. Technically, Euro JPY hits a resistance on the daily time frame, and has that bearish momentum to it. But it's also not been able to break the uptrend yet. Okay, so if we're taking a pending order, considering. Oh, okay. Okay, good. So taking a pending order, what I would advise to do for Euro JPY, can have a buy stop around here. Have a buy stop around 158.519. 158.519 as a buy stop. Buy stop for Euro JPY 158.519. Take profit at around 158.620. 158.519. Take profit at around 158.620. That's for Euro JPY, right? So the buy stop at 158.519. Take profit at 158.620. The sell stop at 158.243. Sell stop at around 158.243. Take profit at around 158.130. Right? So that's 158.519. Take profit at around 158.620. Sell stop at 158.243. Take profit at around 158.130. Okay, so that's for Euro JPY. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD already gave us like a hammer on that support, showing that technically it wants to rebound up. So it's very possible that at the end of the day, whatever happens on Euro USD, is highly possible that we'll see Euro USD still rebounding back to the upside, but we'll see how it goes. For the pending order on Euro USD, we can have a buy stop at 1.05401. 1.05401. Take profit at 1.05478. So we can have it at 1.05401. Take profit at around 1.05478. Okay, can have it around there. Then we can have our sell stop at around. Let's see. Let's see on 1 hour. Oh, that's still too. Let's go a bit lower. Good. So for the sell stop, we can have the sell stop at 1.05193. 1.05193. Take profit at 1.05109. Okay, so we can have the sell stop at 1.05193. Take profit at around 1.05109. Okay, that's for Euro USD. For the next one, which is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Well, let's leave Euro AUD. Let's look at okay, let's work with Euro AUD. For Euro AUD, look at what it looks like here. Okay, so if we check Euro AUD on the daily time frame, we do not have too much, but we can still see like there's still an uptrend on Euro AUD. There's still an uptrend there, although candlestick pattern suggests that price may be looking at returning to a downside, but you can see you have the hammer, you have the confirmation on 1 hour. So I can go in below this point. Let's look at where that is on 15 minutes. Let's look at where that is on 15 minutes. Okay, just a minute, please. Okay, so this is where we have from 15 minutes. And then this is where we have for take profits. This is where we have for our buy stop. If it continues, that push up continues. This is where I'll consider for take profit on Euro AUD. Okay, so we'll have it at 1.67287, 1.67287, take profit at 1.67469. So that's the buy stop for Euro AUD at 1.67287. The buy stop at 1.67287. Take profit at around 1.67469. Okay, and then the sell stop at 1.66856. 1.66856. Take profit at 1.66652. Okay, so the sell stop at 1.66856. Take profit at 1.66652. You understand? So that's it. Sell stop at 1.66856. Take profit at 1.66652. Why the buy stop? We said the buy stop is at 1.67287. Take profit at 1.67469, right? Good. Move on from there. Let's check Euro GBP. Let's look at Euro GBP. Okay. Euro GBP. Okay. So right now, Euro GBP itself is on a verified resistance, seems to be trading above that particular zone. But we'll see what we can do with it. You will notice that on Euro GBP, it's already giving like a kind of rejection pattern to the upside, right? So my sell stop will be below this rejection pattern that we are seeing here. I have my sell stop below here, and then I have my take profit around here. So Euro GBP sell stop at 0.87116, 0.87116, and take profit at that sell stop at 0.87116 and take profit at 0.87083. Okay, so that's 0.87116, take profit at around 0.87. Oh, okay. Let's you know what? Let's leave out Euro GBP. Let's leave out Euro GBP. Let's leave out Euro GBP. We've not done Euro card. We've not done Euro card. Euro card is the final one we'll look at before because the data will be released very soon. So we expect the data to be released within the next 2 minutes or thereabout. Okay. Okay, good. So for Euro GBP or Euro card, we see already the kind of momentary strength in Euro right now. Right. So what we will do for Euro card is for our sell stop to come below this point here, this zone here, and then I'll take profits around here. Yes, good. So for Euro card, I'll have my sell stop at 1.45292, 1.45292, and take profit at 1.45180. 1.45180. Why my buy will be at 1.45705. 1.45705. Take profit at 1.45821. 1.45821. Okay. Okay. Then if we're trading DE30, if you're trading DE30, I hope we have enough time for this. My DE30 will be at 14772.6. 14772.6. Take profit at 14799.1. 14772.6. Take profit at 14799.1. Why sell stop is at 14724.3. 14724.3. Take profit at 14704.1. Don't worry, if any of these instruments, if you're not fast enough to catch it, remember that we're still going to place another trade by 145. You understand? We're still going to trade on euro by 145. Okay. So we have well, I think it's time now. Let me look out to Forex Factory, see what's up on Forex Factory. Okay, the rate was left unchanged. Rate was left unchanged. So let's look at our instrument. Look at, okay, remember for Euro JPY, Euro JPY is here to trigger. We'll have it closed here. Euro USD, we have our buy. I think our buy is already active on Euro USD. No movement on Euro AUD yet. Who else is a newbie and doesn't understand? Do you want to form group? This is for trading now. It's for people who are already trading. So cannot begin explaining here, but don't worry. If you're a newbie, you don't need to trade. Hey, the market is here. So you will learn and then you'll be able to take advantage another time. Okay. So for those people who are here, who are taking, what we are doing is we are giving pending orders. We're giving pending orders because of the news or the data, the high impact data that we're expecting. You understand? So due to the high impact data we're expecting, we're giving pending orders, buy stops and sell stops, depending on which one actually activates the market. You understand? So, and for the person saying I'm too fast, the news is coming out by 1:15. This is the news. It's not about me now, it's about the market. So maybe you are too slow. You understand? So, but we've not really had so much movement in the market. We've not had so much movement in the market yet. Let me show you guys Forex Factory so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it. They left the rate unchanged. It's still 4.50. I guess that is why we do not really have so much activity in the market, because we're expecting that at least maybe they increase it, but we have it at 4.50. That's the same. Okay, which is actually a bit dicey, because even the Eurozone, there's a level of inflation in the Eurozone, and we expect that one of the ways they should be able to, one of the ways they should be able to hold it, should be by increasing interest rates. You understand? So it should be by increasing interest rates. So at the end of the day, the fact that they did not increase it, it might actually be kind of disappointing, if I use that word, kind of be disappointing, but the truth is we do not even have a lot of movement yet in the market. Only I think just the DE30 actually triggered, but I know people were not fast enough to take the buy stop. It's only the buy stop that triggered. Only the buy stop triggered. Oh, okay, oil. Let's look at oil. Well, I think what you should do for the person who is on the oil trade, you want to map up the nearest support. Okay, you want to map out the nearest support. Let me see where that is, because for oil, personally, I was looking out for a buy, very expecting a very strong buy. So what we need to do is to look out for the nearest support. If price breaks that support, then you may likely want to take a sell trade to balance, you know. So good, there you have it. You have price on this support here, right? For the person who's on an oil trade, I think we had to buy around here. Okay, so I wish you saw this inverted hammer. We're able to take advantage of it, but just watch it around here. If price breaks this support, that is around 86.44, then you likely want to take a further sell. You understand? Likely want to take a further sell. Euro USD is moving on the 15 minutes time. Yes, Euro USD is moving, but it's not as fast as I expected. You know, it's not as fast as I expected, actually. It's not as fast as I expected. So yes, just buy stop. DE30, the buy, take profits. Don't worry about the take profit. What matters is that you're in profit. If you're in profit, if you're already on the buy, you're in profit. I gave a take profit to around 14,799. You know, but it's just so slow. So if I were you, if I were already on the buy, if I took the buy and I was already in profit, I'll just hold off on that profit that I have, because the market is quite slow. I think that we'll get more volatility around 145 when we have the press conference, you know. Let's see. Okay, I'm opening up, I'm checking out an information that was just released from ECB now. Checking out an information that was just released from ECB now. And the information states that, let me share with us. The Governing Council today decided to keep the 3 key ECB interest rates unchanged. Inflation is still expected to stay too high for too long, and domestic price pressures remain strong. At the same time, inflation dropped markedly in September. So they feel that due to the fact that inflation dropped a bit, you know, they're likely not going to increase interest rates. Do you understand? ECB rates will be kept at sufficiently restrictive levels for as long as needed. Okay, so we're not getting a high impact. We're not getting, and because of that, we may likely see, I'm really disappointed in the euro today. Really disappointed in them. Really disappointed in them. Yeah, Euro USD buy actually triggered. The buy stop actually triggered. Here, the buy stop actually triggered, but it's not. But this is Euro USD right now. The buy stop triggered. It's a bit above where we entered the market, you know, but it's just a bit slow, just a bit lukewarm, you know, just a bit lukewarm. It's supposed to be faster than this. You know, it's disappointing, actually. Even me, disappointing. But the good thing is that we still have the press conference. So Christine Lagarde will still be talking about the press conference. That is by 1:45. By 1:45. So it's possible that the move we're actually expecting begins by 1:45. Okay. So guys, let's move from this thing. We are expecting advanced GDP by 1:30. We're expecting advanced GDP by 1:30. And the good thing about which one am I sharing now? Oh, okay. So we've moved from that one. We've moved from the euro, this thing. We'll continue with the euro by 1:45. The good thing about the advanced GDP, you can see now, look at it. This advanced GDP, 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, advanced GDP will be released. So the good thing about this one is that the data will be released, so we can compare the data. Okay, can compare the data. Now listen, if advanced GDP comes out and it comes out higher than 4.5, because what we're expecting is 4.5. If it comes out higher than 4.5, it's likely going to give strength to the dollar. Okay, it's likely going to give strength to the dollar. So please, that's what you want to watch out for. You want to watch out for that advanced GDP. If that advanced GDP comes out and it comes out higher than 4.5, comes out at exactly 4.5 or higher than 4.5, there's a high chance. Of course, you know, all what we work with is based on data. you know, from the data, there's a high chance that it will come out and give us strength for the dollar, especially if unemployment claims also come out, and unemployment claims come out lower than 208. If unemployment claims come out lower than 208, then there's a high chance that the dollar is going to gain a lot of strength. Do you understand? There's a high chance that the dollar is going to gain a lot of strength. So this is what we are watching out for. We're watching out for advanced GDP by 130. We're watching out for advanced GDP. We're watching out for unemployment claims. We're watching out for advanced GDP. We're watching out for unemployment claims. Now, once again, I've stated that if advanced GDP comes out higher than 4.5%, okay, if advanced GDP comes out higher than 4.5%, then there's a high chance that we should be expecting a strength in the dollar. And if unemployment claims comes out lower than 208,000, as you can see on the screen, if it comes out lower than 208,000, then there's a high chance that that is likely going to give strength to the dollar, okay? And that will likely give strength to the dollar. So as regards, say, trading, based on our euro, depending on that we place for the euro trade, especially towards the 145, I feel like we may likely leave these prices. I feel like these prices that we've placed on euro JPY, on euro, the thing with for euro USD now, it didn't get to take profit at all, and it's currently trading below where we entered the market, but it's still so slow. So, but the thing with euro USD that we'll likely watch it between now and within the next 5 minutes. Okay. That's my own advice within the next 5 minutes, because for euro USD, the data that is coming out by 1:30 will likely affect euro USD. You know that euro USD is a combination of euro and dollar. You understand? Here it's a combination of euro and dollar. So we'll likely watch it for the next 5 minutes. If within the next 5 minutes we still have it, we don't have it around our take profit where we want, or this thing here, it's better we are out of that market before that information hits. But for this data we are considering now, what we want to trade now are USD pairs. Okay, what we want to trade now are USD pairs. Okay, please don't forget, what we want to trade now USD pairs. So what we are looking at trading now is GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD. How do you trade that? How do you trade that? If this data comes out and it comes out higher than expected, that means it comes out good for the dollar. Let's say where the data comes out, it comes out at 4.6%. The second one that comes out below 208,000, which is good, because that means unemployment has fallen. Now, if it comes out that way, what that will do for us is that we will be something like USD JPY. If you're trading on something like USD JPY, you are likely going to be buying USD JPY. If it is good for the dollar, you'll be buying USD JPY. If you're trading GBP USD and the data that comes out is good for the dollar, you'll likely be selling GBP USD. You understand? If you're trading gold, you'll likely be selling gold. You understand? But we need to wait for that data to come out. Okay, because this one now is quantitative data, so we can see the data and we can work with it. You understand? It's not this one where there's a statement. The first one, there was a statement, and that's why we use pending orders there. But this one, we can actually check it out, especially this first two, advanced GDP and unemployment claims. Okay, so we can check it out to see what it is. Now, remember, if the data is good for the dollar, you can buy USD JPY, you can buy USD CAD. Don't stay too long in it. Buy USD JPY, buy USD CAD, but something like GBP USD, you'll be selling. Something like GBP USD, you'll be selling. Okay. You can buy USD CHF, something like gold, you'll likely be selling. Something like US 100, you'll likely be selling. Something like US 30, you'll likely be selling, because all these things have an inverse relationship with the dollar. So if the dollar is strong, those things are going to be weak. And if the dollar is weak, those things are going to be strong. You understand? So that is how we are likely going to trade advanced GDP. That's how we're going to trade advanced GDP in the next 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay. also regarding pending orders, let me state that when you want to trade, you see the way we place some of these pending orders. It's always good if you're using pending orders to place it close to the time when the data is coming out, especially data that is qualitative. That's especially data that does not have any number. Like, look at this one. Monetary policy statement here doesn't have any number. So the best way to trade something like this is, to use a pending order. ECB press conference, no what? No number there. Okay, no data there. So the best way to trade something like this is what? Pending order, right? So let's watch out for this data. We have our count down here already. If you ask me, I expect that this GDP data should give strength to the dollar. But we'll wait, we'll find out. We'll wait and see how it turns out. Okay, so then after this 130 data, we're now going to still look out for ECB press conference. After ECB press conference, which is 145, we're now going to trade US session. You understand? So we have quite a number of, the first one was disappointing, but we have 3 others to look forward to. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What do we have? Okay, it came out higher. So the dollar is strong right now. Guys, dollar is strong. Dollar is strong. So if you're trading, unemployment claim came out higher than this thing. But this advanced GDP, let's see, let's go to the chart. We have 2 conflicting data. One is positive, the other one is negative. Let's go to the chart. Let's check. Let's go to the chart and check. I think this is Euro USD. Where's dollar index? What is the dollar index doing right now? We have mixed data. Okay, so let's take pending orders. Guys. Let's take pending orders. For NZD USD, let's take pending orders. Let's take pending order. Let's take pending orders. Okay, so we can have NZD USD. For NZD USD, you can have at 0.5808. You can have your buy stop on NZD USD at 0.58087. Okay, and you can have take profit at around 0.58145. 0.58145. Okay, so that's 0.58087. Take profit at 0.58145. And then for my sell stop on NZD USD, I'm going to be going below this week here. This rejection week here, I'm going to be going below that point. So I have my sell stop at 0.57834. 0.57834. We have mixed data, and that's even like weakening the dollar safe instead of giving strength to the dollar. So okay, I did a bit of adjustment for the NZD USD sell stop 0.57826. Sell stop NZD USD 0.57826. Take profit at 0.57750. Okay, that's a buy stop. That's the sell stop for NZD. Why the buy stop for NZD is 0.58087. Take profit at 0.58145. Okay, let's do USD JPY. Right now the dollar is, yes, okay, so let's do it like this. For USD JPY, we're coming in below this point here. We're taking profit around this proven resistance or support that it is. Okay, so your sell stop on USD JPY will be at 150.164. 150.164. And take profit at 150.073. That's 150.164. And take profit at 150.073. Okay. Then your buy stop at 150.527. 150.527. Take profit at around 150.669. Okay. 150.527. Take profit at 150.669. Okay. GBP USD. Good. Okay, for GBP USD. Wow. They're taking advantage of the, you see, I think there was a time we had a fundamental class where we said that most times when a data comes out and it is mixed, one is good, one is bad, it usually weakens the dollar. You know, something like GDP came out and it came out higher than expected, which is very good, for the dollar. But you can see that just because of unemployment claim that came out poorly and that comes out every week, is weakening the dollar. So that's why I'm giving us pending orders above all this noise here. You know, taking pending orders above all this noise. Okay. So for GBP USD, 1.21237. For GBP USD, 1.21237. Take profit at 1.21343. For GBP USD, take profit at 1.21237. 1.21237. Take profit at around 1.21343. Okay. Okay. And then for our sell, we'll have our sell at around, let's see. Good. So we'll have our sell at around 1.20629. 1.20629. That's your sell stop at 1.20629. Take profit at 1.20484. 1.20484. Okay, so that's 1.20629. Take profit at around 1.20484. Okay, that's for GBP USD, right? GBP USD is currently up, but even the volatility in that one too has stopped at a particular point. You know, they've stopped at a particular point. So let's go to AUD USD. This one I'm doing now is AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. So if I'm my buy stop for AUD USD, buy stop for AUD USD will be at 0.63196. 0.63196. 0.63196. Take profit at 0.63269. 0.63196 for the buy stop. Take profit at around 0.63269. Okay, that's for AUD USD buy. Okay, that's my buy stop. And then my sell stop. My sell stop for AUD USD. My sell stop for AUD USD will be 0.62948. 0.62948. 0.62948. Take profit at 0.62872. 0.62948. Take profit at 0.62872. Okay, that's what I will give for AUD. Then let's look at gold. Look at gold. Okay. So we talked about gold this morning and how that, you know, gold was actually on an uptrend. Currently dropping a bit, yeah, just some level of retracement. But doesn't mean that uptrend is not still there. So for gold, I'm going to give my gold at 1987. For gold, I'm going to take my gold at 1987, and I'll be coming out at around 1987.50. 1987.50 or 1987.59. That's what I'll take for gold. 1987.59 or 1987.50, just around that point. And then I'll take profit at around 1989. 1989. Okay. But for my sell will be at 1979. 1979.69. I will take profit at 1978.24. So my sell will be at 1979.69, take profit at 1978.24. Okay. Then let's look at indices. US 500. US 500 is still working technically. If you're trading US 500, it's just to look out for a buy. You know, it's just look out for a buy, just like we did with US. I think in the morning we talked about US 100 buy. We also talked about DE30 buy, right? So I think that US 100 and DE30 actually bought in the morning. So US 500 also, even with the data that came out now, with the disappointing data on the dollar, you know, it's still an uptrend. Now, if you are buying US 500, don't forget that around this resistance, you should be looking out for a return back to the downside because it's on a downtrend, right? It's on a downtrend. So for US 500, my buy stop will be at around 4198. I don't like that number. Try is 419. Okay. 4200, 4200. Okay. I just went a bit higher just to try and trade this gap. 4200, and then take profit at 4207. My buy stop. So if you are trading US 500, I advise a buy. Okay, for those who are okay with instant execution, I advise a buy on US 500. Buy stop for those using pending orders, 4200. Consider take profit at around 4207. And then your sell stop can be at 4167. Sell stop can be at 4167. Take profit at 4159. Sell stop could be at 4167. Take profit at around 4159. Okay. Then for US 30. For US 30 also, they've actually, indices market has really sold. They've really sold. So they're taking this advantage to actually trade upwards in the market. But for my buy stop, I'm going above all these zones here. It seems like a lot of rejection here. Now, for those who are okay with, you know, instant execution, you can take advantage of a buy on US 30. You can take advantage of a buy. But if you're doing pending order, my buy stop will be at 33161. My buy stop will be at 33161. Take profit at around 33204. 33161. Take profit at around 33204. This will also suffice for the US session. You understand? This will also suffice for the US session. So even if they don't trigger around now, we are still going to keep them for the US session. You understand? So I said for those doing that prefer instant execution, you take advantage of a buy. If you're doing pending, just buy now. But if you're doing pending order, buy stop at 33161. Take profit at 33200. 33200. Why the sell at 32930? The sell at 32930. Take profit at 32859. 32930, the sell stop. 32930, take profit at 32859. You understand? 32859. Okay, that's my advice for. I think Euro USD actually hits the take profit for that. If you are able to take advantage of the Euro USD buy, don't place another one. Okay, there's a press conference though, but let's stay out of that one. Let's still focus on our Euro AUD, Euro card. For those who place Euro card is already in profit, but there's going to be a press conference very soon. There's going to be a press conference very soon, so watch out for that. Then, well, DE30 actually hit take profit and pushed all the way up, right? But there's going to be a press conference. Now, it's very possible that during the press conference, whatever has happened to Euro, you see how Euro has gained strength. It's very possible that during the course of the press conference, Euro can now begin to get weak. You understand? The press conference begins by 1:45. What that means is that Christine Lagarde will start speaking. You understand? She'll be speaking. So there's going to be some level of volatility. I think for gold, we said 1979.69, take profit at 1978.24, and the buy at 1987.59, take profit at 1989.31, right? That's what we said. That's what we said. Okay. So, we didn't do anything for Euro GBP, just DE30, Euro card. Okay, it's 1:45, and our Madam Christine Lagarde will speak. Then normally people usually ask how to be able to stream this, you know, how to stream these press conferences. People always ask, how do we stream these press conferences? How do we watch it live? Want to watch it live? Well, one way that I know that is being done is, first of all, you need to be like a subscriber. You need to be a subscriber on maybe Bloomberg or so. Especially if you're a subscriber on Bloomberg, you can actually get access to those live broadcasts. You understand? You can get access to the live broadcast. I don't also know, sometimes from their personal website, like from the ECB website, sometimes they usually have this event streamed on their website. You understand? Because if you want to trade what is going on now, what they are talking about in the press conference, you need to be able to follow the press conference. You understand? You need to be able to follow the press conference. So if you are subscribed on Bloomberg, that's, you are paying money. You're paying money. You can have this thing. I'm also trying to check on their website. Okay, this is it. For those who can see my screen, you would notice that I have, look at, this is the broadcast of the press conference. They're just starting. This is the broadcast. You know, this is one of the members that is talking. So how did I get here? I went to their homepage. That's the ECB homepage. Okay, I went to their homepage, and that is where they have like a live broadcast of the event there. You understand? They have a live broadcast of the event, and so those are where you can follow it. You can listen to what is being said. You know, if you need to get get more information. If you need to get more information, those are places you can actually watch it out. Let me see if I can get the link. Let me see if I can get the link and share it with us. Here we have it. Let me drop it in the chat. Good. So I just dropped it. So you can actually, you select that, you go to their homepage, you will see the live broadcast, of this. I think they're having this one in Athens currently. They're having this one in Athens, you know, so you can follow that. Now, for the entries we gave on the US indices and all that, those entries will still work with, gold has hit take profit. Let's go back to our chart, Chari. Let's leave these people. Gold has hit take profit, guys. Wow. And anybody who entered like an instant buy on US30 should be in profit now. So, should be considering, should be in profit now. But those that have their buy stop on US30, we don't have anything yet. Most likely where this buy stop will be triggered would be during the US session by 2:30. Okay, so I think what I will do is that I'll just go ahead and still give us further entries. I'll go ahead and give us further entries on go ahead and give us further entries on other instruments that we did not look at. Okay, give us further entries on other instruments. DE30. Wow. Let's look at Euro CHF. For people who maybe were not able to take advantage of any of the ones that we posted. Euro CHF, let's see, there's a press conference. US 100, I did US 100 in the morning, so I'm not doing US 100 today. I did US 100 in the morning, it was profitable in the morning, so that's why I just gave US 30, US 500 to this afternoon. So if you traded US 100 in the morning, and where we said to buy, I'm sure that you actually made good profit from that. No, it's not a matter of please. You see, this thing, not be one person get market. So most times like that, when an analysis is good on an instrument, I try to look out for other instruments. You understand? I will give you, it's not like one or God that, give entries here also that don't go my way. So it shows that the whole idea is to make more than what you lose. But okay, since you're talking about US 100, I'll look at US 100, but I want to consider for Euro CHF what we should look at. Well done. Let's look at. Okay, let's look at US 100. Let's look at US 100. Let me give entries because it's possible that we may not even be, since I'm going to be giving all these pending orders, we may not even be here during the US session. May likely just take the pending orders and monitor them around when the US session begins. But like we said, US 100 is pushing up. It's buying, right? If you want to get my advice on US 100 is to take advantage of a buy. The same way I said for US 30, the same way I said for US 500, right? There's really no need for me to even look at US 100 personally. Like, there's no need. But the truth is, people just want pending order. They want a number. And I always advise that you should not be trained like that. We've said to look out for a buy on US 100. I believe that's good enough. If you're trading US 100, I believe that's good enough. But people want pending. They want buy stop. They want take profit, Okay, so let's look at it. I personally expect this buy to continue on US 100. The only place I'll be looking out for a sell on US 100 is around this resistance here. For the person raising up your hand, you can just drop what you want to put on the comments. Just drop. There's a chart there. Now I'll do my best to check it. I may not see it, but of course, I should see it. So this is around 14,520, 14,525 on US 100. That's where I'll be looking out for a fall. You understand? But right now, I expect this buy to continue. You understand? I expect this buy on US 100 to continue till around maybe like 14,445. If you're buying right now, you can buy it around 14,445. 14,445. Okay? I expect the buy to continue on US 100. Okay? Euro GBP is falling. I must say that I'm really disappointed in the euro today. Really jam. Then was there anybody who took the NZD USD buy stop? The NZD USD buy stop, please monitor it, especially depending on the kind of lot size you use. Monitor the buy stop. I think the buy stop is actually active right now. Buy stop is active. Okay, so monitor it. Anybody who entered an instant buy on US 500, you should be in profit. Instant buy on US 30, you should be in profit. right? Then for the person who talked about oil, like I said, watch it around this resistance or this support. Okay, if it does not close below 86.44, then it's likely going to head back up. Okay, so yeah, let's watch it like that. Let me also look at, just because of the fact that we are considering other instruments, let me also look at US 2000. No, let me leave out US 2000. Let's look at some other currencies like USD pairs. Let's look at USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. USD CAD is on an uptrend, you know, and it's possible that when the US session opens, they will just likely discard that information that they got about. When the US session opens, it's possible that it will just start gaining strength, considering that GDP. May just discard that unemployment claim and begin gaining strength. You understand? So for USD CAD, my buy stop will be at 1.38271. My buy stop will be at 1.38271. And then my take profit will be at 1.38400. My buy stop will be at 1.38271. My take profit will be at 1.38400. 1.38271, take profit at 1.38400. Let's see how many pips we have here between here and the support. Okay, good. So for my sell stop on USD, I can have my sell stop at 1.37995. 1.37995, because I noticed that all the times price was falling from here, I was able to get to this support here, and you know, so 1.37995 sell stop, take profit at 1.37898. 1.37898. So that is 1.37995, take profit at 1.37898. Okay. For anybody who entered an instant buy on US 100, should be in profit or continue watching it. And then those who put their buy stop on US 30, your trade is already active. AUD USD is already closed, it's already active, so monitor it. USD JPY also, for those who use the sell stop is already active. NZD USD has gotten to take profit. NZD USD has gotten to take profit. So I think that I really wish that, I don't know if somebody said it made profit on, okay, Euro USD and gold, not DE30. I didn't get anybody who made profit on DE30. I didn't get anybody who made profit on Euro AUD. The Euro AUD sell is already active. For those who use sell stop, you want to monitor that. Okay? For those who use sell stop, you want to monitor that. Euro JPY is also active, so you want to watch that also. Euro JPY is also active, so you want to watch that. Okay, for classes on wonderful, Temi, wonderful, additional, congratulations. For classes on pending order, Mr. Charles, it's possible that there are videos for that. You know what I would advise you to do? Go to our YouTube channel. I keep telling you guys, go to our YouTube channel. Those videos are there. Go to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and search for Rally Trade. Okay, go to our YouTube channel. We have a training on pending order. So once you get to our YouTube channel, just click on videos. You'll see it. We have a training on this thing. Very good. Well done, guys. Well done. So I feel that generally it was not a bad one today. The only issue now is what lot size you guys used and how much profit you were able to make. That is why we're saying that, you know, that's why we're saying with very good loss. That's what we're saying. Try and trade today with at least 300,000 naira, so that at least you can do a 0.1. So I don't know what kind of lot size we used. You understand? So because for me, I'm happy that we are saying we made profit, but you know, you know, I trade. So the reality is that there's a kind of profit you will make that will set you up. You know, there's a kind of profit you will make that you will not trade today again. But there's a kind of profit you will make that you will need to trade again. You understand? That's why I said at least 300,000 naira to join to this class and, you know, use 0.1 or thereabout for these trades, because they're short trades, should make as much as possible. So, but I hope you made enough. Depending orders for the other USD pairs that have not triggered, just watch them during the US session. We expect them to actually trigger today. Okay. Oh yes, 400K. This person asking 400K. 400K can do. 400K can do on some Euro, like Euro USD, right? Euro USD. Yes, of course, 400K can do one standard lot on Euro USD self, even more than one standard lot. So yes, but because you are doing different instruments, yes, you can now do 0.1 on different instruments. Those who use Euro JPY buy stop, check your trade, you should be in profit now. Euro JPY buy stop, you should be in profit. Okay, should be in profit. Euro card is in profit also. Anybody who did Euro card, you should be in profit also. It was a good day. I think some of the trades that did not work out, maybe Euro AUD. If you're on Euro AUD, because of the way Euro is pushing up, if you have your sell stop on Euro AUD, okay, I advise that you close it. If you have your sell stop on Euro AUD, I advise that you close it. Okay, advise that you close it. But you know, Euro JPY is going well. Euro USD went to take profit. Euro card is going well, is in profit. Even if you close it now, you're in profit. D30 got to take profit. NZD USD got to take profit. USD JPY is still active. So monitor that. It's still active. GBP USD also is still active. Monitor that. AUD USD is still active. We expect this one superior. Gold got to take profit. US 500. I said to do an instant buy. If you are an instant buy, you should be in profit already, but there's a buy stop at 4,200, so you can still watch out for that. US 30 also still active. If you took an instant buy, you should be in profit, but your pending order at 33161 still active, so watch out for that. Oil is retracing by US 100. I said to do an instant buy, still active, so watch out for that also. Okay, watch out for that also. And then for USD card, we said for USD card, we gave the buy stop at 1.38271. 1.38271. We took profit at 1.38400. Why the sell stop? We did the sell stop at 1.37995. 1.37995. Take profit at 1.37898 for USD card. Wonderful. Phoenix raised this reply that Phoenix gave is very important. ATR. But there's a high chance that many of us may not know how ATR works. And that is why, by God's grace, next week, I'm not sure, but we are going to be having a special class on ATR, because some people are talking about stop loss. Like, I think someone asked me this morning, and I told you how stop loss was personal, you know, depending on your risk level. But I think we should look into ATR so that can give you more information. The time frame to use for deciding entry and take profit. That's the time frame that you want to trade on. There is no fixed time. The time frame you want to trade on is what you should use to decide your entry and take profit. If you ask me what the best is, generally we'll tell you is 1 hour. But the truth is, as time goes on, you likely combine different time frames. Time frame is just there for analysis. You understand? It's just there for analysis, okay? So yes, this is the much that we will take today. So by God's grace, we'll try and have maybe a special session, like maybe during NFP next week. In NFP next week, Friday, we'll try and have a special session like this. Try and get good funds in your account so that you can benefit. Okay. Monitor the trades you're on. I want to wish us a very successful trading day for the rest of today. Do not forget the US session and the pending orders that we have already. Okay, so let's watch them. And it's going to be a profitable day. Thank you all for your time. You'll be hearing from me again by the special grace of God next week. God bless you all.